pretty much about to redo this with a torque wrench down with me. I don't know what bolting it is. Let me find out for a second. I believe it might be a 12 or something, or 14 to be precise. Nope. Let's try 12. Find it. It's not 15. It's not 15. Pretty sure it's a 12. Let me come back and go get that. But I'm gonna take this off. I think I put the clutch on the wrong way. And we're gonna try this again. And yeah, try this again. So, be back with you guys in a second. Go ahead. All right, so guys, pretty much got this off. Ready? Can you come over here so you can show them? This is the new transmission cover. That's the old one. As you can see, this has this elongated piece, while this one had broke off, which holds the throwout bearing and its collar for it to move back and forth, which is pretty much why my car just died and collapsed and wouldn't go into gear, because it wasn't gonna put it in gear. It already broke. So put this on there. You need to buy a gasket for it. You don't have to RTV it or anything. We're just gonna put it back in the transmission right here. So also, you're gonna want to remove your pivot ball off your old one. So that's what I'm about to go ahead and do right now, and get that pretty much situated. Now the last 4 have thread lock on the bottom area. You'll be able to feel it if you're taking it off. They're a lot tighter than the other ones, and you're gonna want to put, you know, a little pressure to it. But you'll see them as orange on the bolt. You want to put thread lock back on it, go ahead. And let me go ahead and rebuild this, and I'll get back to you guys. So pretty much got off the pivot ball off the old one. About to go ahead, put the pivot ball back on. Simple location right here. Obviously you're gonna want to do more than hand tight. I'm just trying to put it on there so I don't strip it, destroy this plate.
Actually, don't even use an impact for that.
Yeah. I might just have to just hand tight.
Yes, you should hand tighten it. I will.
I'm gonna go ahead and hand tighten this. Much pressure on it. I just touched this shit again. Someone passed me a, what you call it. Thank you so much. This shit spreads all across your can.
Is that what that car Adam was talking about?
Yeah.
That is pretty cool. What was that? Suzuki, right?
Yeah, man.
That dude with the that SS Camaro, that shit is cam, ain't it?
Yeah. So now we have our ball pretty much on there. Probably tighten it more when we put it back on. Make sure you inspect, make sure everything's here.
Get that gasket.
So now we're gonna put the gasket on. Goes on like this.
What I would do is I put the gasket on that right there.
Yeah.
And put like a screw or something so you can keep it set.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
You know. And then you can just put it back on.
Wow. Don't beat me.
Yeah, that motorcycles. Oh, it's 2 of them too. Put that screw in. I got you. How much that piece cost? Yeah, really, maybe I should just open up a damn auto shop.
Bruh, I'm gonna do it.
Cause that's really easy money. Cause you finesse the fuck out of people. I mean, that's what they be doing anyway. But you don't know certain people at certain places, bro. I think we'd be overcharged for almost everything, you know.
Make sure the gasket is in the right place.
Especially if you're a girl, they just tell you anything. You know?
Hell yeah, bro.
You recording?
It's like 45 minutes away from that.
Oh, wow.
I like Kerosene. No.
Destroy my pinky, guys.
Oh, okay.
But are you recording?
Yes, motherfucker.
Say action.
So I put it in my GPS.
Anyway,
45 minute drive.
Yo, can the wind blow? Oh, it's hot.
You know, they can put windows on the damn Apple Watch from the XP. They can? Well, Windows 98, they can put it on it.
Now that all of that is done, we went ahead and put the throttle bearing in and the port all aligned, so now we should be moving just fine. Where's the thing at? Okay. You guys can't see a thing. And as you can see, nice pressure. Make sure you guys lube this up too. Have mine lubed. So you can have ultimate performance. As you can see, this is moving a lot better. I think in my last videos, you see how bad the other one is. It doesn't even move at all. So, me and Chris are going to attempt put this in a car. We're not gonna be able to record, obviously, but we'll let you guys know what how it happens. Hopefully, it just start up without any problems. Pretty much bolted everything on this morning. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys the rest of the build, but tranny back in. I haven't driven it yet. I'm gonna take it for a little spin in a few seconds. Hopefully, let's see, no gear grinds, all that other stuff. So yeah, let's at least try to move it from here to here. All right guys, so just put on the exhaust. I don't think you guys have to see us bolt that back up. Car's running, as you can hear. We need to change the slave cylinder. It's still sticky and it needs a fluid flush. So I won't be doing it because those are really hard and I don't think that's at my expertise. So I'll be taking the car towards a shop to go ahead and get that done tomorrow when the slave comes in. If you've been watching this, thank you for watching this 3-day process. I don't know how many videos it's going to be cut into, but thank you for watching. Hope you guys subscribe for more. Peace. And I'll give you guys some driving clips when I finally break in this clutch. Now, another thing to note, please make sure you break the clutch in whenever you do a clutch job. I'm going for 500 miles, so yeah, I'll be driving this pretty slow. You won't see me gassing it or flooring it anywhere. But thank you guys for watching. Peace out, JDM out.
Everything you have done, why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come